guys, good morning. Welcome to our village. Yeah, this is how it's looking. It's around 6:20 a.m. in the morning, and that is how our village it is looking, guys. Yeah, so I want to take you through our village, how it looks in the morning. Yeah, actually it's not that kind of a village, but yeah, this is our remote home. Yeah, my hubby's place. I decided to go and visit my mom-in-law. But yeah, see how beautiful that place is looking, guys. Yeah, sometimes I usually just have that love of this place. I just love how cool and fertile this place is. It's I can't compare it to our home, guys. That's a lot. Yeah, and yeah, today I'm starting the vlog here, guys. I'm fetching water from that well. There is that vibe of being in the village, guys. Yeah, I usually enjoy the village life so much. Like sipendangi maisha ya town is just because I'm working. Kama ningekuwa sifanyi kazi ningeishi the village, guys. Like my mother-in-law village, it has so many things that I admire. Nature is beautiful. Yeah, and making the body work physically. And that is our cow that we usually milk. Yeah, that is my mother-in-law is feeding the cow over there, guys. And me, I want to do some laundry. So if you're new in this channel, my name is Adija. I'm a mom of three. I does content basically around our home. So today I would visit the village, and I said, you guys, I must bring you a content from our village, guys. Can you enjoy our village? Is cool, fertile, with rains, but this time round it was dry. Yeah, so in that well, we usually fetch water there for not for cooking but for cleaning. Like you can see I'm cleaning our clothes because the weather there it usually be like rainy most of the time, so we wake up very early in the morning and clean first before in the afternoon, because the rain will be raining in the afternoon. So we usually wake up and clean. At least by the time the rain comes in the afternoon, nguo zimemwaga maji and then yeah, zimeanza kukauka. Yeah, so guys, we just went for some days with my kids. This time round my hubby was not around, so I decided to go and say hi to a mom. It has been a long time. I'm always busy in the city, guys. Yeah, so that is how our neighbors' places are looking, guys. Yeah, and this is our home now. Yeah, this is our home. Yeah, you can see we have a very beautiful home, guys. I love one day I will come and stay in the village. Countryside life is very important. You can see I've collected some clothes with my son, and then they decided to go and fetch water for our cooking in the river, guys. There is where we usually fetch our cooking water. That is our river. Yeah, it was made to just have those taps flow water, so that it can be very easy for everyone to get water. And later I wanted to make lunch, guys, with that is my mother-in-law who is helping me to make the green vegetables, because sijazoea kutoanga hizi mboga za kwao za huku. I'm yet learning how to make saga. Yes, you guys, I'm in Kisiland, and the place is very beautiful, guys. So yeah, and there I decided to cook ugali for our lunch, and I'm using that traditional meko ya kuni. I'm using firewood. I really enjoy this life cooking with firewood. It's very easy, and there's that taste with the food that is cooked with firewood. There is another sweet taste over there. I think the smoke, or I don't know what makes that food very delicious, and inakuanga imeiva kabisa, si kama food ya gas. Not like the gas food are not that sweet, but the firewood food, you guys, even in the village, yeah, I think you can bear with that, what I'm saying. Yeah, guys, so I'm the one who's making lunch for my kids and my mother-in-law, you guys. Yeah, I really enjoy this village life, guys. Yeah, you know, when you're in the village, everything is simple to do, like cooking with firewood. It's just as simple as that, guys, and that is what I love about a village life, countryside livers. I love this life so much, guys, but I doesn't have a choice now. I'm just in the city looking for money, and when I get a time I should go back home and Yeah, there is where my heart belongs, guys. I love this lifestyle so much. I wish I could be staying here. I will just transform my content to a village one, guys. So today, guys, I hope you're enjoying this village vlog and subscribe to my channel. And guys, we are going to have Vlogmas. Every day at 12 noon, I'll be posting, guys. My posting time will just remain the same, but at least I want to challenge myself with the Vlogmas vlogs for 30 days. And then, yeah, so hope you'll enjoy, like the video, subscribe if you haven't. Not 4,000 subscribers, not even 4,000, 10,000 subscribers. So guys, tell me what you think about our village vlog, and if you like it, tell me how you find it. Yeah, for me, I find it therapeutic. Yes, and the food is ready. So that is saga and ugali. That is what we are going to have for lunch, guys, cooked by me. I am at my childhood life. I was brought up in town, so I've never cooked with firewood, guys. Like, so I usually enjoy this life because it's something I've never done at my childhood life. And later in the evening, guys, I'm making chapatis for them. As usual, I have to cook chapatis for my mother-in-law. She loves my chapatis so much. So that is what I'm doing there. So yeah, you can see in the village, we usually like roll the chapatis in that table. Yes, we just live this life to the fullest. Simple but beautiful life. Yeah, just simple, pressureless life. Yeah, and a satisfied life, guys. So that is me making the chapati rolls over there. Yeah, we have very many in the house. We have my kids, we have my sisters-in-law's kids, yeah, my brother-in-law kids, mother-in-law, myself. So I was cooking a lot of chapatis, guys. And you know, when it comes to cooking, that is the best part of my life, guys. So yeah, I've already rolled the chapatis, and yes, I'm going to lit the charcoal burner. For the chapati, I'm going to burn it with a charcoal burner, and it's around 7 in the evening. You can see I'm lighting the charcoal burner there so that we can cook chapati, guys. I just love this life. Aki, I was really missing my village life, guys. So if you're enjoying this vlog, kindly leave a positive comment. Tell me what you think about the village vlog, and remember to share me out if you can, and always tune in for everyday Vlogmas video at 12 noon on this channel. And this, you love this channel, here is where we do a lot of homemaking. You can see even the village vlog is all about homemaking, and my daughter is helping me how to fry the chapatis, or to burn the chapatis, not fry, over there. So that is my duties when I'm at my mom's in-law. Yeah, so that is me, and hope you have enjoyed till this far, and hope you are going to subscribe. You are going to support this girl, support the video, share me out widely so that YouTube can recommend my videos to a wide uh, algorithm, and yeah, you'll be blessed, guys. So yeah, and you know, it's over the holiday, and in Africa, during the holidays, we usually just make chapatis. Chapati is one of the most delicious African December food. When it comes to December holiday, we love, like Kenya, we really love chapati so much. I don't know other African countries. Yeah, you can see the chapatis are turning good, guys, from there. So that is what I did when I was at the village, guys. Yeah, so hope you have enjoyed the recipes, you have enjoyed the lifestyle in our village, you have enjoyed yeah, the place, the coolness, the nature, how beautiful it is. Yes, and that is how we cook the chapatis over there. You can see they are very soft and very many, guys. Yeah, and that is what we are going to serve my family tonight, guys. And yeah, I was really enjoying. Yeah, that is how the chapatis turned out, and this is my mother-in-law serving us the food with our kids, and we are very, very, very enjoying the food, guys. Yeah, hope you have enjoyed till this far. Remember to subscribe, like the video, share me out. Yeah, and tell me what you think our village vlog. So till the next one, bye, lovelies. Bye.